Okay, so my brother here says he's the fastest, quickest draw in the West, and he can shoot a can off the watermelon without hitting a watermelon. And here's his fancy little gun he's got. Told him he can't do it, but he's got some pretty good eyes, so let's see.
I'm gonna hit that can first try.
Okay, well, I gotta set up this watermelon here. He's all set up, ready to go. Put the can here. See if you can shoot it off. Film it with the GoPro. We're ready to go.
Oh! Well, I'll be damned, he did it. The smoking gun.
Well, that's why you don't put a can on top of your head to shoot it off, folks. Right there. That would not be good. Okay, it's my turn. Got my 9. Shoot it off that thing. Let's see how it goes.